If you need ear protection, here is some that I buy. I buy these specifically for a shooting range. My family has a camp and I have Big Ear Pro for when I shoot. However, there's always nieces and nephews there and uncles and aunts and friends of the family who are all there also who want to come to the shooting range and watch. So I keep packages of these in my kind of shooting bag so that if anybody is there, I can offer them a pair of ear protection and they can just keep it. They can just throw it in their bag because these things are very, very reasonably priced. This is 10 pairs of these and they come in little containers like this, each one individually wrapped, and here's what it looks like. So it is just 2 silicone earplugs on a rope so you can hang it around your neck, and when you're talking, you can put one in while you're talking on this side, and then when you're about to shoot, you put that one in. You can take them out, leave it around your neck. It's very, very convenient, and because they have this multi-step feature, it fits for pretty much everybody's ear type. And I don't like the kind that are shaped really crazy intricate like your ear. I like these kind. It is just straight in and straight out, and that's it. They just work. Like I said, they come in big packs so that you can just keep them in your vehicle. I know a lot of people that use these on the construction site in their jobs, but these things work great for me. I would definitely recommend them.